Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be looking into how you can use the search function in Excel. The search function allows you to provide a specific criteria and search for that criteria within a range that you provide. So here we have the word Gutierrez, or the surname Gutierrez, and what I'm going to do is do equals and then search, and I'm going to search for obviously that surname, and I'm going to look for it within this cell here. If I now press enter, so as you can see, it's now provided us the position of where the word Gutierrez starts. So we can see here the first name Teddy also takes into account the space, and then we have Gutierrez. So if I now just click there, it will now tell me all the different positions of where the search criteria is. So yeah, this is very useful when you want to look for a specific word in a large bit of data or whatever it might be. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.